You have heard that German is a very hard language, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's very hard.
Okay. I don't think that it is so hard. I think it's an easy language. And I can prove it. Because I can show you how to form sentences very fast. That means you don't have to wait years to speak a language. Do you want to have a try?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, one person who learns English, okay? In order to translate this sentence correctly, how long does he have to study? For example, I can't speak German now. How long?
Hello.
Months, years? What do you think? Somebody who cannot speak English and he wants to learn English. In order to do this sentence, how long will it take? Can you imagine?
I think it will take years.
It takes years?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, maybe it's 6 months. Depends upon their own quality lah.
And how intensive the lessons are. Right? If I can make you translate this sentence in 2 minutes, what will you say? That German is a hard language or not?
You can learn in 2 minutes. It's very easy.
Okay. What's the time now?
4:11.
4:11. Okay. Count. I is ich. Can is kann. Not is nicht. Speak is sprechen. German is Deutsch. Und now ist jetzt. Do you see here above one rule with colors?
Yes.
Yes. This is the way we have to put the words in German. Every color is one category, syntactical category. Yellow is always the subject. Green is always the verb, okay? Blue is always the infinitive. So, I will color the words, the German words, and you just have to put them in the right order, according this color rule. Sprechen, Deutsch, jetzt. Who is singing? Who wants to do it? Reba,
Sir?
can you do it? Can you try?
Yeah, try.
Okay, I'm here to help, okay? Don't worry. So, do we have yellow?
Actually, I didn't understand.
You don't know the pronunciation.
No.
It's okay. Tell me the word in English. I.
I come to German now.
So, it is in German, it is ich.
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 Do we have green?
Ich.
Which word is colored with green?
Verb.
Subject. Huh?
No, verb.
Kann.
Verb.
This is the verb. So we put can afterwards. Do we have this color? Orange.
Object.
There is no color like this. Right?
Mm.
So we don't put it. X. Do we have gray?
Yes.
Yes. Now.
No, it's jetzt. Do we have dark green?
Don't have.
No.
No. So we don't put it. Do we have red?
Yes.
No.
Nicht.
Yes.
Mm.
Nicht.
Me.
Do we have blue? Dark blue?
No.
Then we don't put it. Do we have this color?
Yes.
Yes.
What is that?
Dense.
Deutsch.
Don't.
Okay. And do we have
Mm.
light blue?
Yes.
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 Fresh.
Sprechen.
Sprechen.
Fresh.
Sprechen.
So this is the correct sentence. How many minutes did it take to translate the sentence?
4 minutes.
4
Three.
minutes. Four.
So we don't need years and months.
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
So how difficult can it be when you can do sentences like this in 4 minutes?
Yes.
Do you want to try with another one?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe you are not
Okay.
convinced yet. Okay, let's see how difficult it is to form sentences in German. I want to be no. I want to work in 7 months in Germany. This word is ich. Want is will. To work is arbeiten. In 7 months, in 7 Monaten. And in Germany, in Deutschland. So let's color the words. How will that be? Who wants to do it? Huh? Come on, a little bit more courage. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake. Don't worry.
Ich,
Ja,
Ich,
ich will.
ich,
ich will.
Mhm.
in 7 Monate, incident,
In 7 Monaten.
and then in den,
In Deutschland.
Arbeiten.
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 That's it. In this case, we have two prepositionals. Okay? It doesn't matter. And arbeiten is the infinitive at the end. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now one very difficult sentence. Because you are very, very, very smart. Let's see. I can't bring it to you at home tomorrow. What do you think? Is it an easy sentence or not? Yes.
Ich kann
Wait.
nicht
So, now you can try.
Ich kann.
Ich nicht
Yes.
Morgen bringt
nach Haus.
No.
Nach Haus bring.
Do we have dark green? Good. Do we have dark green?
no
No.
Do we have red?
But we have yes.
Ah, you forgot it.
nicht
Ich kann es dir morgen
Yes. Nicht
nicht dark blue.
nach Haus.
Haus
Haus.
Morgen
Light blue.
Present. No.
Bringen.
Bring.
I'm laughing because of your pronunciation, but it's okay. It is not a problem. Pronunciation is not a problem. This is a problem.
Because Thursday class.
Because it is like if we say, I can eat. Do you
I can
tomorrow not at home
eat,
bring?
bring.
This sounds crazy. Okay, if you tell to an English guy, I can eat to you tomorrow, not at home bring, what do you think? Will he understand or not?
He cannot.
Can no.
He will not understand, of course not. That means that the German will not understand if you speak to them and you put the words in the order like in English. So we always have to follow this rule. Ich kann es dir morgen nicht
Nicht
nach Hause
bring.
bringen.
Bring.
Bringen.
Have you ever learned a language with colors?
No.
So I will put colors in your life. Huh? Is it nice?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
With this system, you can learn any language you want. Because I have explained the way we have to put the words in 14 languages. And I have written books, my own books. I'm the writer of these books. Another one, maybe. Are you enthusiastic? Yes, I like it. You must meet me at the center tomorrow. You is do. Must. Must. In German is must. Mit is treffen.
Treffen.
Mich im Zentrum morgen.
You.
Who is singing, please? Can you stop it?
So can you repeat that English sentence?
You must meet me at the center tomorrow.
You must
Du musst.
Nicht.
Means
Nicht.
Du musst mich
Morgan.
Morgen.
Morgen.
Then
I'm
im Zentrum
In den Run.
treffen.
follow.
Treffen.
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 Mm.
Yeah. Great. So easy. That's it. Fascinating. Okay, do me one favor. Don't look at the time. How much time do you think that we are now here?
20 minutes.
10 minutes. 30
Can be
minutes.
No. 30.
Look at the time. Look at the time.
15.
9:30.
30 minutes have passed, and you have the feeling it was only 10 minutes. And do you know why? Because you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That means when we have lesson, you will not be sad or tired. It is like a game, like puzzle, right? So another one which we can play. I can't come to work now. Ich
Ich
kann.
Nicht. Ja, nicht.
arbeiten.
Nicht.
Well, ich is yellow. Can will be
Green.
green. Nicht will be red.
Red.
Kommen will be blue. It's infinity. So Arbeit, that will be dark blue. And yet, now is time. So, great, Ola. How will that be?
Ich kann
Ich kann nicht
Kann nicht
arbeiten.
Don't be very fast. Ich kann
jetzt
nicht kommen. Ich kann
Jetzt.
Jetzt.
Service. Man.
Ich kann jetzt nicht
Jet.
Arbeit
Jets.
zur
Der
Arbeit
Arbeit.
and
kommen.
Jet.
one.
Jet.
No, we
No,
don't
it's wrong.
we didn't put kommen
Kommen.
at the end.
Kommen.
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 Ich kann jetzt nicht zur Arbeit kommen, right? is subject, kann is verb, jetzt is time, nicht is negation, zur Arbeit is prepositional, and kommen infinitive. Okay? Do you want to have a look at our books? I will show you the books. And German for English. You don't speak any German, right?
Yes.
Good. Μετάβαση. You see, everything is explained in English. Here we explain the prepositional expressions. So, the first example is, I can't speak with you.
Speak German.
And here I have given you the words with colors. And here above you can see in which order we have to put the colors. So, I can't speak with you, that will be, who wants to do it?
I subject
Ich,
can
Ich
Kann Verb.
verb
Nicht.
ich kann nicht, right? Ich kann nicht, and then?
Mit der nicht.
Sprechen. Ja, mit dir sprechen. That's it. So it will be,
can nicht
ich kann nicht mit dir
mit der Spring
sprechen.
sprechen.
That's it. How difficult was it? Oh, I see smiles. And when a teacher sees smiles, that means everybody understood. Okay? So, difficult is one thing when we can't understand it. When we understand it, it is simple. Okay? With this, I'm getting into your mind and I'm telling you how to think in German. So I submit you my knowledge. Right? And this is the difficult thing in teaching. But I found a way to make you speak very easy and very fast. And without headache. So, we have the books, and we also have one website, Babel Languages. Okay? What can we do here? English. If we click here on vocabulary, we have level A1, for example, and we want to learn chapter A15, right? We have to log in, and then we have the two columns. On the left, it's in English, and on the right, you can choose the language you want to learn. For example, we want to learn German. So we click on German, and all the words appear in German. If you click here, you can hear the words. And you can...
Der Augenarzt. Auf Deutsch. Wie heißt das auf Deutsch?
How was it again?
Wie heißt das auf Deutsch? Wie heißt das auf Deutsch?
Did you recognize my voice? Because it is me who is speaking.
Ein Formular ausfüllen. Das Ding.
Think,
Die Tabelle.
sign,
Der Optikladen.
optician,
Der Designer.
designer,
Der Superpreis.
best price.
Eckig. Die Eck.
You see, many words in German are similar to English. And that helps to learn them easier and to remember them easier. Okay. And all we have in the books, it is also
Babel language.
self-tutoring. And you go, we have languages for Greeks, languages for English speakers, for German speakers, for Italian speakers, and so on. If you click here, German for English speakers, and you want to do part 3, for example, Simple Perfect now. Let's go part 2. And we want to learn the two-subject construction. Here we have the theory, okay? And then I give you the words we need in order to do the exercises. And of course, you can hear them with us.
Etwas kochen.
Cook something.
Alle Schüler.
All the
Der
students,
Sommer.
the summer,
Schnell.
quickly,
Versuchen.
okay? This is one thing. Then we can have question. I want you to visit me tomorrow. We can write it here. We can click the translation here. I will do on purpose some mistakes. Good?
Ich will.
Yeah. So far you know it. Ich will
Do das
das du
du mich
morgen
Morgen.
besuchst. And then we can click here on check answer. Okay, and it tells us what is wrong and what do we have to correct. If the green ones, we have to put them. If it is red, we have to cancel them. So here is missing one C. Ich.
ja
And we have to write will with double L. Ich.
ich will
And das with double S. Check again. Du mich. Not morgen, but morgen. And not besuche, but besuchst.
Bush. Besucht.
Yes.
Besucht.
Ich will das du mich morgen besuchst.
Yes. If you click here, you can see the solution with colon. And you can hear the sentence here.
Ich will, dass du mich morgen besuchst.
Again.
Ich will, dass du mich morgen besuchst.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
So everything is organized. You have, you can hear all the words and all the sentences of the book. Okay? And we explain every word syntactically and grammarly with colors. And the lessons will be in English. I will explain everything in English, not in German, because we are beginners and you cannot understand German. So we will explain everything in English. Good? So, did you like our system? Tell me your opinion. Is it good or not?
It's good. Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad that you like it. So, that was our introduction. So you have to decide if you want to participate or not in a course. Okay? You decide.
Hello, Liz.
Again? Shiny? Again? Good. So you have to, if you are interested to participate, you have to speak with the coordinators.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So I hope I will see you in a course.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Tschüss. Tschüss is bye in German. Tschüss.
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 Choose.
Hmm.